ymarfer y dydd, exercise of the day, squat, explode. Mae'r ymarfer yma'n gweithio cyhyra y coesa, sef quads, hamstrings, penôl a'r calves. A hefyd, gweithio chydig bach ar y core area. Ond beth sy'n handi efo'r exercise yma ydy, mae hefyd yn gweithio chydig bach fel cardio exercise, felly mae'n codi curiad y galon. So this exercise works the muscles in your legs such as your quads, your hamstrings, your glutes, your calves. It also works on your core area. And as well, it's also an exercise that can be used as a cardio exercise, which increases your heart rate. Felly, i gychwyn, to start the exercise off, sefyll sgwydda nôl, cefn yn syth, dan ni'n mynd lawr i'r squat, cyffwrdd y llawr efo dwylo. O fama wedyn, dwi angen neidio i fyny, dod â traed at ei gilydd, a glanio nôl yn y squat. So, to start the exercise off, I need to get to the squat position. So I roll my shoulders back, keep my back straight, hands in front, I go down into the squat, fingertips touching the floor. From here then I need to jump up, bring my feet together, and then land back in the squats. Dyna chi ymarfer y dydd. That's your exercise of the day. Squat, explode.